Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Today I'm gonna show you how to use this copybook to practice Chinese calligraphy. There are 40 lessons or 40 copybooks in one set. For example, this is the first lesson, and what you practice is this part. Basically, you just use your brush to make the stroke drawing on the copybook. Two copies for each character. Two, there's a blank one for you to see how you learn from the previous two. This copybook will not only help you to practice Chinese calligraphy, but also will help you to learn Chinese, because you take longer time to write each stroke than using the pen or pencil. In that way, it will help you to memorize each stroke of the character. Help you to know the right structure of the character. And there are 40 lessons. Each lesson has 4 characters to learn, so there are about 160 characters you can learn from this set. Okay, let's continue practicing. In this lesson, we are mainly focus on this part. In Chinese, we call 单人旁. This part is consisted by 2 strokes. You can see from the lesson, it's like small dot, long dot stroke and vertical stroke. In order to write this part beautifully, what we need to focus on is the length of the stroke. The long dot stroke is kind of short, but the vertical stroke is quite long. So in this way, the character we write will be more vivid. And this 单人旁 is really narrow parts. So we write the right part will be like wider, much wider than this 单人旁。Okay, so this is lesson 1 of the copybook. Hope you enjoy it. Thank you for watching.